Wow. In this video we're going to do the unboxing and the initial setup of this 19-inch ring video light, or LED. Any light can be used for a lot of uses. This is set up at the moment to take portraits, and there's one we did earlier. You could easily flip the camera around and use it to photograph yourself while you're doing vlogging or videos, and also has uses in the beauty industry. So let's deal with the unboxing first. It's a 19-inch light, and it's in just over a 19-inch 50cm by 60cm cardboard box. It's got a little carrying handle on that's very nice, and should be fairly easy to get the things out. No tape, just some flips. There's our light in its carrying bag. It's got a carrying bag, that's going to be handy as well. So the light's in there, nicely protected. And we'll just have a look at the items, the accessories that we've got in here. First thing we're looking for is an instruction book. Look at that handy little instruction book. A list of parts included. So let's set those out first. So the first thing we've unwrapped is the power cable. We'll put that to one side. Goes through the other. Let's see, one tripod head. That's that one there. One phone clamp, one phone clamp, one phone clamp, one remote controller, and that's handy. That's a Bluetooth shutter for your iPhone. We'll see if that works later. Let's just take those out the bags. So let's just go through again the things that are in our package. Package including user manual. We've got that. We've got a remote control. We've got a Bluetooth shutter release for your phones or your camera. We've got a screw thread camera adapter. We've got our mains lead, and we've got three holders for smartphones. We've emptied the pack, but not quite. You might say, hang on a minute, where's our tripod? Look, there's a 6-foot tripod there. Picture on the box. It's not on the table and it's not in there. Well, the answer is hiding down the bottom of the box. They've put this reminder in with the box because they must have had a lot of people complaining you've sent the package without the tripod. But if I can demonstrate that, just turn that down the bottom of the box. There's another pack. Let's go take that out. There's a fairly robust tripod that will hold this thing. Just doing it quickly for now, setting up, tightening it up. I can't show you the full height on this video but it will go up to 6 foot. Very sturdy, that, I like that. There's our ring light, nice and lightweight LED lighting around there, 19 inches across, ready to go on a tripod. So let's put it on the tripod and fire it up with the mains lead and see how we get on. So we've got our 19-inch LED ring light with a nice diffused front to it all, and we're going to go ahead and pop it on our tripod stand. And just tied it up nicely. That's nice and secure. It's called a ring light, of course, because it's in a ring of LED lights with a diffuser around it. Let's just check the measurements. It says it's a 19-inch ring light, so there it is. It's 19 inches and it's 48 centimetres. I've half got it set up at the moment with one of the phone holders on. I'll just show you how that that fits on. I think these are very good, flexible phone holders. Just screws in and they're like that, and then simply these things just bend around until you get them in the shape that you want, and there it is, ready for your phone to go in. I think that's very good. Can go all the way around that way. You could bend it over that way as well. Really very good. If I've got the phone handy, I'll just pop a phone in, and that's ready to go. I think we'll just plug it in. That's off, that's on. We've got some adjustments on the front. We've got light up, light down, and this one's interesting. You can change the colour tone of the ring, that's the sort of yellowy look, and you can get it back up to white. And looking on the back of it, got the on-off switch, got the mains lead, and there are some USB ports there. It's all very, very good really. If we just have a close-up look at this area here where we've got the screw threads for the camera attachments. That's that flexible one that I was talking about. They're very good. This is how they come. I'll just show you how these put together. I've got to design this. I like this. First pop that through that. That goes it. That pushed in there. Then you get this ring tightener. Tighten that up. You've still got some flexibility on that ball joint, but this thing here bends wherever you want, and as we've shown, that goes into that one. We just pull away a bit. As I said, you might need 3 cameras because you have one holder there. This is a useful attachment. Screws in there. And once that's firmly on, you've got this top bit, which again has got a ball and socket joint on it, and we can mount another camera on there. It can be either a small SLR, I'm not sure that would take a big SLR, or you get another one of these smartphone attachment holders which goes on there. So we just rotate that into position, tighten it up, so we've got one camera there, and if you ever need it, the third one can pop on here. So that's set up for our 3 smartphones with their cameras, or indeed accessories, maybe some more lighting in there, or a script or something like that, another phone with a script on, but as you see, we can quickly move that out of there, put one in there and bend it wherever we want it. It's all been thought out very well. Let's have a look at some of the other accessories that come with your light. As I said, there's those 3 smartphone holders there, or a camera bracket in the middle. We've also got a remote control. Once it's switched on with a switch on the back, you could be over here, press off and it goes off, on it goes on. On the remote control, we've got the control for the brightness of it, so it's on full bright there. And on the same controls, we've got the same sort of control for the colour temperature of it. This is a handy piece of kit. Just a button shutter release. We're going to Bluetooth it to our smartphone. Smartphone's going to be there, press the button there, take a photo. Easy to set up. You switch on, little blue light there shows it's on. Go into your settings on your iPhone, play Bluetooth on, search for AB Shutter 3, and you see in this case I've already connected it. So let's see if we can do that quickly. Just go back to our camera. Just go back to our camera and press the button. And that's taken a photo of that. So this could be here. Let's do a selfie, me and the other camera. Got the button in my hand, just press the button, take the photo. There's the photo there. How good is that? So there we have it, our 19-inch LED ring light. It's time to pack it away. Let's reverse the process on with the ball and socket for our camera. These two flexible phone holders. Unscrew all your camera holders. Really very impressed with this. Simple, doesn't cost too much, different colour lighting, can be used for photography or in the beauty industry, close-up light for working on things. Very impressed. Right, disconnect the power, take it off its tripod stand and pop it in its carry case, and off we go to do some work with it. Very impressed.